Have you ever noticed a foamy appearance in your urine? This could be a sign of proteinuria, a condition where excessive protein leaks from your blood into your urine. There are many possible reasons behind this protein leak, and one of them might be a deficiency of essential vitamins in your body. Studies indicate that deficiencies in certain vitamins can weaken your kidney's filtration system, making them more susceptible to proteinuria. Over time, this can lead to serious kidney damage. Deficiencies in vitamin D, B vitamins, especially B6, B9 and B12, and vitamin C can all compromise the kidney's filtration system and disrupt how your body handles protein. Your body needs amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, to build and repair muscles, organs, hair and nails. But it's not just vitamins. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus also work together to maintain healthy kidney filters. Imbalances in these minerals, particularly high phosphorus levels, can stress the filters, potentially causing them to leak protein into the urine. In today's video, we'll explore how these vitamins and minerals work together to prevent protein leakage, support healthy kidney functions, and potentially promote kidney repair. Number 1. Vitamin D. Lower levels of vitamin D can lead to fatigue, muscle and bone weakness, and may even accelerate kidney health decline. Conversely, getting enough vitamin D either naturally or through supplements can aid in kidney repair. Studies show a common link between low vitamin D levels and people with proteinuria, kidney damage or chronic kidney disease. A 2017 study found that 30 to 70% of people with kidney disease have low vitamin D levels. Another study compared results from 12 different studies and discovered that vitamin D supplements significantly reduced proteinuria in chronic kidney disease (CKD) patients. Vitamin D offers multiple benefits for kidney health. Firstly, it helps your body absorb calcium from food, crucial for healthy bones. Calcium is vital for maintaining the structure and function of specialized cells called podocytes, which are wrapped around the tiny filters in your kidneys called glomeruli. Low calcium levels can weaken podocytes, allowing protein to leak through, leading to proteinuria. Moreover, calcium helps regulate a delicate balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. Low calcium levels can disrupt this balance, putting extra stress on your kidney filters and potentially causing them to leak protein. Secondly, vitamin D also has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to fight inflammation throughout your body, including in your kidneys, reducing the risk of proteinuria. To determine your specific needs for vitamin D, talk to your doctor who can measure your blood vitamin D levels and recommend appropriate intake. You can also add vitamin D-rich foods to your diet, such as fatty fish like salmon, tuna and mackerel, egg yolks, fortified milk and even some UV-exposed mushrooms. Number 2. Vitamin K2. While vitamin D is essential for strong bones and kidneys, it might not be effective without vitamin K2. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, but vitamin K2 ensures that it reaches the right destination, your bones. Without sufficient K2, calcium can accumulate in unintended areas like blood vessels or kidneys, leading to calcification. This condition can stiffen arteries, raise blood pressure, and potentially damage your kidneys. Combining vitamin D with vitamin K2 can be beneficial. A 2017 study suggests that vitamin K2 supplementation alongside vitamin D may reduce arterial stiffness in chronic kidney disease patients. You can boost your vitamin K2 intake by consuming fermented soybeans, grass-fed butter, cheese and egg yolks. Supplements are another option, but consult your doctor before starting any. Many experts recommend taking around 90 to 120 micrograms of vitamin K2 with 600 to 800 IU of vitamin D3 daily. Always seek personalized dosage recommendations from your doctor, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take blood thinners, as vitamin K can interact with their effectiveness. Number 3. Vitamin B complex. Protein is a crucial building block for almost everything in your body, from muscles to organs. B vitamins, especially B6, B9 and B12, work together to help your body use protein efficiently. A deficiency in these B vitamins can disrupt protein metabolism, potentially leading to excessive protein in your blood. Ensuring adequate intake of these B vitamins might help prevent proteinuria. 6, or pyridoxine, helps your body break down and use protein properly. A 2014 study showed a link between low B6 levels and a higher risk of proteinuria in people with chronic kidney disease. B9, or folate, plays a role in protein metabolism and cell health. A study found that folate deficiency might be linked to an increased risk of kidney disease. Lastly, B12 or cobalamin is involved in protein metabolism. Some studies link B12 deficiency to kidney problems, including proteinuria. You can find B vitamins in various foods. Beans, lentils, leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds, whole grains, whole wheat bread, brown rice and quinoa offer many B vitamins, especially B6. Additionally, poultry, fish and eggs are excellent sources of B6 and B12. A healthy diet rich in these B vitamin sources can support your body's protein metabolism and potentially help prevent proteinuria. However, always discuss your individual needs with your doctor. Number 4. Vitamin C. Free radicals can cause significant damage to your organs, especially your kidneys. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, neutralizes these free radicals and helps protect your kidney cells from damage. A 2018 study showed that a deficiency in vitamin C can lead to inflammation in your kidneys, weakening the tiny filters and making them more likely to leak protein into your urine. Around 500 mg of vitamin C daily is recommended. You can find vitamin C in many nutritious foods, including citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, bell peppers, broccoli and tomatoes. A diet rich in these vitamin C sources can support your kidneys and potentially reduce the risk of proteinuria. However, consult your doctor before taking vitamin C supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Number 5. Vitamin E. Like vitamin C, vitamin E helps combat free radicals. Studies suggest that a deficiency in vitamin E might be linked to an increased risk of chronic kidney disease. While proteinuria can sometimes be a complication of CKD, there's no direct evidence that vitamin E prevents proteinuria itself. However, by potentially reducing the risk of CKD, it might indirectly contribute to healthier kidneys and a lower risk of proteinuria. Most healthy adults need around 15 mg or 20.4 international units of vitamin E per day, but consult your healthcare expert for personalized recommendations. Minerals. Minerals also play a part in preventing proteinuria and maintaining kidney health. Number 1. Potassium. While calcium keeps your kidney filters strong, potassium plays a different role in kidney function. A delicate balance between potassium and sodium is crucial for maintaining proper fluid and electrolyte levels in your body, ensuring optimal kidney function. Excessive salt intake can disturb this balance. A 2017 study showed that high sodium and low potassium intake can stress your kidneys, potentially leading to proteinuria and worsening its symptoms. Maintaining a healthy potassium intake while managing sodium intake can help your kidneys function better and reduce the risk of proteinuria. Many foods are rich in potassium, including fruits like bananas, oranges and cantaloupe, and vegetables like potatoes, spinach and other leafy greens. Nuts and seeds such as almonds and pistachios also provide good amounts of potassium. However, consume these potassium-rich foods in moderation, especially if you have proteinuria or chronic kidney disease. Number 2. Magnesium. Magnesium helps convert vitamin D into its most active form, calcitriol, which interacts with vitamin D receptors in your body. Without enough magnesium, about 75% of kidney patients can't effectively use their stored vitamin D before activation. Magnesium also helps your intestines absorb vitamin D from your food or supplements. Thus, magnesium is crucial for maximizing vitamin D's effectiveness in your body, especially for your kidneys. The recommended daily amount of magnesium is 420 mg for men and 320 mg for women. You can find magnesium in foods like spinach, kale, almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. While you can take magnesium supplements, consult your doctor first, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Number 3. Phosphorus. Phosphorus works with calcium to maintain strong bones and teeth. However, too much phosphorus in your blood can stress your kidneys and potentially lead to proteinuria. High phosphorus levels can be problematic, so managing your phosphorus intake alongside other dietary factors that affect its absorption is important. This might indirectly reduce your risk of proteinuria. Focus on a balanced diet and limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and certain supplements high in phosphorus. Number 4. Zinc. Zinc helps your body use protein for building and repairing tissues, including those in your kidneys. While research on zinc and proteinuria is still developing, some studies suggest that a zinc deficiency might be linked to an increased risk of chronic kidney disease. By potentially reducing the risk of CKD, maintaining adequate zinc levels could indirectly support overall kidney health and potentially lower the risk of proteinuria. The amount of zinc you need depends on your age and gender. Consult your doctor for personalized advice, but generally, adults need around 8 to 11 mg per day. Zinc-rich foods include seafood, lean meats, poultry, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. While zinc is generally safe in recommended amounts, consult your doctor before taking high doses of supplements. Other supplements. Some natural supplements show promise in supporting kidney health and might indirectly prevent proteinuria. One of them is omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids might help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, potentially contributing to overall kidney health and lowering the risk of proteinuria. However, more research is needed to confirm this link. Another supplement is L-carnitine, an amino acid involved in energy production within cells, including those in your kidneys. Some studies suggest L-carnitine might help improve kidney function in people with certain kidney diseases. However, more research is needed to determine if it can help prevent proteinuria in healthy individuals. Important sources include red meat, dairy products, some fish, and L-carnitine supplements. Most importantly, please note that supplements can interact with medications or have side effects. Always talk to your doctor before taking any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or kidney problems. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Consult your doctor before starting new supplements or making significant dietary changes. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with everyone you care about. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.